So today's recipe is really easy but delicious. Starts with a cabbage you're going to go ahead and steam, and then it has all of these ingredients, which are going to be down in the description box. While you're down there, make sure you like and subscribe for you to see more content that's like this, or even something you might request. So we're going to start with some brown jasmine rice. Into that, we're going to add some white diced onion. After that, we're going to add in a little bit of lemon juice because I did not have lemon zest in my house. And after that, we are going to add in garlic paste. Now, this 1 teaspoon is equivalent to like 1 clove. So that's about a half a teaspoon. After that, you're going to add the sausage and ground meat of your choice. I had on hand ground turkey, but the recipe that I've been like researching is with ground beef. And I use a rice paddle to kind of smush it together and get it combined. After breaking down the meat, you're going to drop in 1 egg into the mixture. And from there, you're going to add in some ground sea salt. And then you're going to use the crushed black pepper because I always do crushed black pepper in all my recipes. It's just something I love, and it just brings a different dimension of flavor to my cooking. Now, after you finish seasoning, if you want to add additional seasonings here, you can. But I'm going to go ahead and mix together the egg, the meat, and the rice and the onions because I want to make this into a ground up mixture that's going to be baked inside the rolls. Now, I separated as many leaves as I could. Managed to get about 5 or 6 ready to go. Some of them pulled apart. I worked with what I could. Also, make sure when you're doing this recipe, maybe take the cabbage 1 step lighter. So like when the leaves are easily pulled apart, not almost fully cooked. But, it still was delicious. I tucked it and then I rolled it. I guess the translation for the stuffed cabbage rolls is a pigeon's chest. So that's what they look like. So now that we got it nice and rolled, we're going to put them in a bed of tomato sauce. You can make it homemade or buy it jarred and tuck them in nicely. I didn't really want much of a cleanup, and I wanted once I baked these to freeze them, so I put it in a metal container, and then I spooned the rest of the tomato sauce I made over. And your girl's balling on a budget, so yes, that is a reusable Greek yogurt container. You're going to bake these at 350 for about 50 minutes, and this is what they should look like, nice and delicious and ready to go. Now, traditionally, they're served with mashed potatoes, so I whipped up a batch of those and got them together for them to be enjoyed together. Stay tuned for next week.